Hey lovely people, this is another tutorial of box braid. But first of all, I'll tell you how this box braid came to be. It was a day that I was just making my own hair. So I didn't know that this client of mine had an appointment booked over a month ago, and I thought I added it on my reminder, but unfortunately it did not save. So I wasn't expecting her at the moment when she came. I was busy with my hair, so she rushed in and she was like, I saw a message. She said, oh, I'll be 5 minutes late. I said, God, do I have a client coming in today? I never expected it. Okay, nice. But as I took up the challenge, say a little prayer in my heart, because I had a doctor's appointment in 3 hours time, and I was just rushing to make my hair so I can get set and go. So when she came in, I was like, God, I have to do this in 2 hours max, because if I don't do it that way, I'm not going to meet up with my appointment. So we started. So she has already washed the hair, prepped it. I just added my moisturizer. That's the Blue Magic cream. That's what I added. I'm not supposed to mention names, but that cream is something. I love how the cream is on hair. So that's what I use mostly. So I started the hair, and it is a medium box braid. I was braiding in the speed of light. Imagine making a full head in 2 hours. Yeah, that was 2 hours, 2 hours, 10 minutes. That's how long I braided this hair, the way I was rushing. Okay, now back to the video. How I put this through was I spoke less, normal chit chat with customer, clients. We didn't do that, everybody was just busy doing what they're meant to do. She was giving out the extension, and she got it ready before I would need it. And the chit chat, there was no much chit chat, because chit chat can, slow you down, kind of. But there was a movie on that we're enjoying, but I wasn't watching. I was just listening with my ears. I was just listening with my ears. That's the only thing I was doing. Okay. And another thing is that I increased my speed of braiding. Though normally, if you don't have anything that's waiting for you, you tend to be relaxed and braid at your own pace. But this, I really pushed myself a little bit. If you're a professional braider, this is a great fit to meet up. It's not easy, because normally, I'm just going to say it naturally, I'm not a slow braider. I braid fast. My time used to be 3 hours, 30 minutes, smaller braids than this. I used to get it done in 3 hours. So making this one in 2 hours is a great fit. Why I said so is that some people go to make just box braid like this, it takes them the whole day. They stay the whole day there. So my clients, they normally compliment me that whenever they come, that what takes them the whole day takes them just 3 hours plus. They're off. That they enjoy it that way. They don't have to spend their whole day making hair. Yes, which I understand with them, because I know. So this one, it was another thing altogether. So another thing I did was, the hair was already washed. She washed it before coming. I stretched, comb it, in order for it not to have tangles. Because if the hair is tangle free, at least some of the hassles that it took us, the stress it to take you to detangle and the rest. It's the hair that was just losing and washed. So if there's tangle on it, it will also, take some time. While you're detangling, it takes more time to detangle. So it will also cost you time. So I took off everything that will delay me. If it's when you have the whole time, you can manage it and be going with it. Take time and detangle while making. But now I prepped everything, made sure everything was on point, and it gave me a smooth sail. Another thing was the extension. I combed it thoroughly. It was a pre-stretched extension, pre-plucked already, so I just brushed it thoroughly to take away every tangle. And sometimes I noticed that when you apply hair cream on it, it tangles. I observed that some extensions tend to behave that way, so I did not put hair cream on the extension. I used it dry the way it was, and it did give me stress, and there was no tangling on the way while I was braiding, because sometimes what wastes your time is if the attachment tangles a lot. Before you detangle and continue braiding, your time will be going. So all those things were not on the way, and voila, so just like magic, and I did it 2 hours. It's a record breaking something, because if it is 2 persons making the hair, that's when they hit that 2 hours benchmark. This one, I was alone braiding, and I met that limit. It's something that I really pat my back for. So that was it. What again did I? What again? Okay, yes, I didn't take any break. There was no break in the hair. We just made it straight away, and that was it. Voila, the hair came out, and she was happy with her hair. Everyone was happy. I met with my appointment, and everything was good. This is exactly how she wants her braid to be. She likes her braid exactly the size. I didn't add to it. I didn't say because because I'm rushing, then I'll add more than the way she likes it. No, I gave her the exact thing she likes, and she was happy with her hair, and I was happy. I met with my appointment, and everything was fine. So guys, I will just leave you to watch your video, and again, I'd like you to subscribe if you have not, because this is a family where we I enjoy the setting. We're trying to create a family here, where a community here where we understand each other and work hand in hand. If there's anything you want me to do, if there's any new hairstyle you want me to bring on, don't hesitate to comment it at the comment section, and I'll be watching out for it. And please don't forget to like also, and don't forget to share. It's very important. Thank you so much for watching. I would like to enjoy your video to the end. Bye. See you in the next one.
I could be the one you talk to when you're feeling down. I could be the one you run to when the moon hits the ground. I can say what I'm feeling, but the words just don't come out. If you ever feel lonely, girl, just know I'll come around.